Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. First time visitors, welcome and thank you. This is a craft your stash video. I'm going to share with you the cards I made using this Gorgeous Girls card making kit. And I think I saved, yes I did. I saved the information on the kit so that I can show you what it came with. It's the Craft Card Compendium kit, and this kit you can find just about anywhere and they're averaging, depending on where you get it, 10 bucks up to maybe 15 tops. It's an older kit, so you can probably get even better prices than that. I've had this kit in my stash for a little bit and decided to use it to make the cards so that I can send them to the people who participated in this year's or in my 2017 Gorgeous Girls Just Because Challenge. So this kit came with card bases, toppers, tags, ribbon, a little packet of bling, and envelopes. And using all of that, it came with 24 envelopes, so you can make 24 cards, and that's what I did. I made 24 cards. So let me show you what I made, and then I will show you, well, I can't show you what's left of the kit because, oh yeah, I have a little bit left of the kit. I'll show you what was left of the kit once I was done. So first of all, it comes in this really neat box that you can totally repurpose for whatever reason. It's a pretty sturdy box. I think I will be using this box to store my die cuts, my Gorgeous Girls die cuts, and toppers and tags and all the other Gorgeous Girls related items I seem to collect. And since the box is open, I'll show you what's left of my kit. This is all that's left of my kit. I used everything else, and I even added some embellishments from my own stash, just I don't know, to make it a little more interesting. So let me show you the cards I made. The card kit came with a bunch of those decoupage style toppers. When I put them together, I don't like to make them two-dimensional. I do add a little dimension, as you can see there, but I don't necessarily use all of the layers that come with the decoupage sheet. I just don't like that much dimension. And in terms of the dimensional tape I don't use anything that's too thick because I don't want it to pop up too much, because I just think it looks a little bit weird. That's just me. What I do use is just one layer of 3M double-sided tape, and I find that's all the dimension I need. So that gives me the little bit of pop-up and dimension for each of the cards. So for this kit, this base and this topper was part of the kit. That little embellishment is from my stash, and the Hello My Friend stamp is from my stash, and the inside is blank, and the back of the card has the Santoro stamp. So really cute. You can make 2 of each style, so that's what I did. I made that one. Next I made this one. For this one, the button and the bling are from my own personal stash. Otherwise, everything else, including this ribbon and the topper and the base, is from the kits. And again, that's my stamp. I made 2 of those. Really pretty. Here's another. The bling, in this case, is actually from the kits. The bow is from my own stash. And those are gorgeous. Those are part of the Gorgeous Girls collection by Santoro. There's a pack of bows. You see them a lot. They kind of have like the fringe bows, and then they have the more traditional classic bows like that. So I had a pack in my stash for the longest and decided to use it. So I'm really trying to use up my stash. I'm using everything that comes with the kit plus adding some of my own. That's my goal. That's my goal. So I made 2 of those. This one, the bling strip, is from my own stash, and I added some sparkle in her hat and her boots with my Winka Stella pen or marker, otherwise all from the kits. I made 2 of those. Lots of fun. The only thing from my stash here is that bling again. That bling might be part of an embellishment kit also from Santoro. I only have one of these because I already sent out the other one. Here's another I made. That bling is from my stash. I only have one of her because I sent out the other. Another super cute card. That button is from my stash. Only one of her because I mailed out the other. I'm trying to get my Happy Mail out. I'm a little behind, but I'm catching up. This card, that bow is from my stash. Otherwise, everything else is from the kits. Only have one of that one. Mailed out the other. Here's another. This one was fun. I got to use more of this bling. This bling trim I got from the Dollar Tree some time ago in a bunch of different colors. So I pulled that out, see if I can use it. Only have one of her, mailed out the other. Then I have this one. I love, love, love the purple. The only thing from my stash is the button and the 2 little... Nope, actually the bling is from the kit. Just the button is from my stash. And I have 2 of those. The topper, the ribbon, all from the kit. The little embellishment, the metal embellishment, is from my stash. And I got that. That's part of Santoro London embellishment pack that I picked up. I think I got it from the Cat's Meow shop. And this is another of that same card. And here is the last one. This bling is actually from the kits. And yeah, this entire card is made using the kit. So, like I said, super fun kit. You got to make 24 awesome, amazing, fun cards. I even added some items from my own stash. But believe me when I tell you, there is more than enough in the kit such that you don't need really to add anything. I just did because I have so much and I'm really determined to craft more of my stash. So that's one kit that's done and gone. And I'm going to move on to the next one. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. I truly do appreciate it. Until next time. Bye-bye.